Good day everyone, it's me again Anna, and for today's video is all about the sounds of alphabet. So letter A. Letter A sounded as a, 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 a. So for example, a, apple. A, asterisk. Okay? Again, it sounded as a. Your jaw should get down like this. A. Letter B. Letter B sounded as b, b. For example, b, b, banana. B, b, bat, bat. Okay? Letter C. So let's take note that letter C has two sounds. It might be k, k or s. For example, k, k, candle, k, k, cat. For s, city, cylinder. So it only differs in words. And then for letter D sounded as d, d. Okay? D, d. So for example, d, d, dog. For letter E sounded as e, e. For example, elephant. Okay? Next one is the letter F. So letter F sounded as f, f. For example, fan. Next one is letter G. Letter G. So letter G sounded as g, g. Okay? For example, g, g, goat. Next one is letter H. So letter H sounds as again. For example, hen. Okay? And then letter I. So letter I sounded as E. E. Okay. For example, internet. Interview. Okay, next one is letter J. Letter J sounded as J, J. For example, jar. Next one is letter K. Letter K sounded as k, k. For example, k, k, kangaroo. Next is letter L. So letter L sounded as l, l, l. For example, label, lost. Next one is letter M. Letter M sounds as m. So letter M. For example, monkey. Next one is letter N. So letter N sounded as n, like this. N. For example, nails, nest, numb, numb. Okay? Next one is letter O. So letter O sounded as O. For example, open. Okay? Next one is letter P. So letter P sounded as p. For example, pencil. Next one is the letter Q. Q sounded as k. For example, quarrel. Next one is the letter R. So letter R sounded as r. Again, r. For example, rare. Rain. River. Okay? Next one, let's have letter S. So letter S sounded as s. For example, sound. Sing. Next one, let's have letter T. So letter T sounded as t, t, t. For example, t, t, tablet, t, t, toaster. Next one, let's have letter U. So letter U sounded as a. Okay? For example, a umbrella. Next one, let's have letter V. So letter V sounded as v, v, v. For example, Valentine, vine. Next one, let's have letter W. So W sounded as wo. For example, wonder, whale. Next one, let's have letter X. So letter X sounded as x, x, x. For example, x, x, xylophone, x, x, Xerox. Next one, let's have letter Y. So letter Y sounded as e. For example, yes, you, yes. Okay? Last but not the least, let's have letter Z. Letter Z sounded as z, z, z. For example, zygote, zebra, or zipper. Okay? So again, those are the sounds of alphabet. But let us remember that those are just basic, because sounds of alphabet might be differ in words. And let's talk that on our next video. For today, allow me to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something today. Again, this is Labador saying learning is fun. Goodbye everyone, and again, thank you so much for watching.